Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0009S, in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a green and red detailing on the side of the temples. It has the Gucci logo, and it is a rubber temple. This frame is made in Italy, and the lenses are a green color with the Gucci logo engraved in the top right lens. Up here we have a velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as the pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.